Hey, it's been a while since I last recorded a video in this channel. The reason being, I've been busy in cohort on my main channel in Urdu, and the cohort is about to finish, so therefore I'll be putting a lot of videos and uploading a lot of playlists. A promise that was never meant to be fulfilled now will be fulfilled. So starting with freelancing, moving down to digital marketing, which also includes social media marketing and search engine optimization. Just to let you know that SEO playlist would be exclusively available on BeingGuru 2.0. It's not even available on Hisham server, and the video time span actually goes over 10 odd hours, which actually means that we'll be sharing screen and we'll be explaining search engine optimization, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, backlinking, all the three important facets of search engine optimization in detail. In this video, people often ask me the coolest, most effective recipe formula of success, and I'm gonna drill it down to three elements. First being, you got to learn a skill. Moving down to consistency is the key. And last but not the least, communication skills. Nothing matters more or beyond communication skill, which essentially includes oral as well as written communication skill. So if I try to briefly touch every facet here, starting with learning a skill, on internet and with COVID-19, a lot of content creators, subject matter expert, have started uploading videos in their channels on YouTube, on Udemy, and you can also find free courses on Udemy. Not every course is paid. So all you need to do is A, search for what you're looking for on YouTube, and if you do not find what you're looking for, I would recommend going to udemy.com and then selecting this filter by clicking in free column in the price section, and you'll be able to see tons of videos and courses related to the skill set you are looking for. Give yourself a fair chance. If I were you, I would lock myself in a room for the next 3 months, assuming you are a student and you've got time here to invest in yourself, because learning is an investment which actually pays dividends in the long run. If you do not grow by investing in yourself and learning a skill or two which is emerging and trending and in demand by the world, success is a far cry. That's what I've learned over the years, and that's what I advocate. If you want to grow in life, learn skills, period. But then what kind of skills one should learn also weighs in heavily. We know that World Economic Forum has issued a list of few soft skills. So you can find that huge list. I think it's on beingguru.com. I'll find it later and put a link in a description of this video. But when you talk about tech skills, the hard skills, computer related skills, look, data is a new oil. Data means that in the future there will be huge jobs all over the world pivoting around data analysis, data assessment, data forecasting, and that is done through a software called Python. Artificial intelligence is going to be in huge demand. So therefore, my advice is to go for top-notch skills that are emerging, that are trending, and that are in demand by the world. And right now, if you learn these skills, the chances are you'll come across less saturated competition as compared to basic skills such as virtual assistant or data entry specialist. I don't see anybody going far beyond data entry or virtual assistant services. I mean, forget about going far beyond. Even if you stay behind, success is going to be very, very difficult and far short if you focus on a skill that is, everybody's strength, so to speak. So the idea is to learn skills that are emerging and trending. That's the first thing. You could also become a specialist in complex applications, be it web applications, be it software applications or mobile app applications. Hybrid mobile application is in huge demand. Then there's a creativity aspect, which includes but not limited to graphic designing in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. By the way, we're going to have a playlist for designing as well in English. And then, of course, video editing. Since a lot of creators have surfaced up on YouTube as well as on Udemy as a subject matter expert, they're definitely looking for video editing services. And if you know how to edit video services, if you know how to edit a video effectively using perhaps Adobe After Effects or Adobe Premiere, you could be making good money in a very short period of time. So learning skill is the very first prerequisite if you want to make money on the internet and give yourself a fair chance. If you ask me, 3 months would suffice. Moving down to the second element of success, as I see, is the practice. They say practice makes one perfect. If you want to get something, you got to be persistent. But if you want to keep something, you've got to be consistent. So therefore, consistency is the key, which means you do not stop and keep moving forward. I really love this quote of Jack Ma that many people die tomorrow evening, whereas they do not realize that there's a sunshine day after tomorrow. My advice to every young wannabe internet worker who wants to make money by offering their skills as a freelancer, perhaps as a blogger, by writing a lot of good content for viewers, or perhaps YouTubers who want to create their YouTube channel. Consistency would help you go places in life. If you stop, you're done. But if you keep moving forward, there's a good chance that you might just, not only you can penetrate more avenues, but pave your way towards opening new doors of opportunities. And that means that in the long run, you'll be able to make money as well. Because money is a byproduct of success. If you become successful, automatically money follows. And the practice is something which actually is the heartbeat. And if you skip a heartbeat, you're asking for trouble. If I were you, I would spend at least 2 hours practicing a skill I've learned, and I would try to grow myself in learning an advanced version of that particular skill. That's the only way, because your competitor is far more advanced than you are. Your competitor has an exposure to the international market, and perhaps on different freelance marketplaces. Your competitor is not only well versed with the software they are using, but they also know inside out about the issues that are unheard of. So therefore, the only way to ace at that particular skill you learn is to practice, practice, and practice. Last but not the least, communication skill. Warren Buffett says that if there's one advice I would like to give to younger people, that would be work on your communication skill. That essentially means oral as well as written communication skills. If you look at the only certificate that's hanging on his office wall, or perhaps in a hall that leads to his office, that's communication skills certification. And Warren Buffett's sales letter was picked by many copywriters who actually tried to decipher the wordings and came to conclusion that this is perhaps the best copywriting example. And if you want to become successful on internet, that is all online medium as well as offline medium, you got to work on your communication skills, oral as well as written. So here we have a Facebook closed group where you can practice your communication skills. I suspect that a lot of my viewers are from Asia, South Asia, and the countries where English is not first language. So you can practice your communication skills, written as well as oral English speaking skills, by joining this closed group, Talk English with Hisham. And you'll be advised to pick up your smartphone, turn on the front cam. If you got a DSLR, that's best. And start talking about what you are passionate about. See, if you are passionate about something and it gives you appropriate selection of words, you can come up with a better vocabulary, and this gives you a chance to polish your communication skills. Over a period of time, once you feel comfortable that you are equipped with the proper selections of word and vocabulary, you can of course stretch out your branches to other skill sets and other niches and other topics of discussion. But to begin with, focus on what you like the most and you are most passionate about. So I expect a lot of people who are watching this video, they'll come and join this closed group. Rest assured, whatever content you upload or post inside this closed group, this will only stay inside this group, and I give you a guarantee it won't go on the internet. We are all helping each other out, learning English, learning communication skills. So just to recap this video, learn a skill, number one. Number two, practice it. Practice makes one perfect. And third is work on your communication skills, oral as well as written. This probably is an amazing recipe, a formula of success in life, at least for online business. See you in the next video.